In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export FigJam file to image. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to turn your FigJam board into a shareable image file for emails, presentations, or documentation. We'll keep it simple and clear, and I'll add a few practical tips along the way so you understand what each choice means. Start by heading to figma.com in your web browser and log into your account. Using the browser version is straightforward and consistent, so it's great for quick exports. Once you're in, give the page a second to load your workspace so all your recent files appear properly. Next, open your FigJam file. You can click the FigJam tab to start a new board, or more commonly, choose a recent file from your home screen. When the file opens, make sure you're on the canvas you want to export and that everything you want captured is visible. This helps ensure the export reflects your board the way you expect. Now look to the very top left corner of the screen for the main menu. Click the Figma logo or main menu icon to open the dropdown. Inside this menu, find and click on File. This is where key document actions live, including export options. From the File menu, choose Export As. This opens the export choices for your FigJam board so you can generate an image you can share outside of Figma. You'll see options for PNG or JPG. PNG is ideal when you want crisp text, clean lines, and higher quality with minimal compression. It's great for documentation, printing, or when clarity matters. JPG is better when file size needs to stay smaller, such as for quick sharing or web pages where a reduced download size is helpful. If you're unsure, PNG is usually the safest pick for diagrams and notes because it preserves detail more reliably. Once you've chosen your file type, click Export. Figma will prepare the image and your browser will download it to your default downloads location. After the download completes, open the file to review it. Make sure the content looks clear and that the parts of the board you wanted are included. If you need a smaller file, try JPG next time. If you want maximum clarity, stick with PNG. That's it. You went to figma.com and logged in, opened your FigJam file, used the main menu in the top left to navigate to File, selected Export As, chose PNG or JPG, and clicked Export. You're all set to share your FigJam as an image.